All right, we're live.
Start.
Why is this moving so slow?
Okay.
Yeah.
It looks like we don't need SPSS. Sweet. Okay. Suppose we have a paired set and let D equal X after what? Should I keep going?
Yeah, go.
Yeah, go ahead, sorry.
D after minus X before. The null hypothesis is 0, and the total hypothesis is not equal to 0. And the population derivation is not known. Jordan collects a sample size of 9 and computes D is 2.2 and SD equals 3.3. What is the value of this test statistic?
What is SC?
Okay. SD.
Yeah.
I can't remember off the top of my head. Oh, is it sample standard deviation?
Oh, yeah. No, it can't be because D is difference. Is that the sample difference?
Let's see. Yeah, the sample standard deviation of the difference.
Oh, this, okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I can't tell you how many times I listened to that video and looked over this stuff, and I'm still lost. And I think that's because I'm lost from last week. And so I'm still not grasping this. And I haven't been able to meet with my tutor yet.
So this one we just plug into the formula, right?
What's the formula?
So it's D, or the D with the line over it, minus, is that 0?
That's a standard deviation. Wait.
In the formula, it's D minus, is that 0? Do you know what I'm talking about, Zach?
I'm trying to think about it, but no. I'll try to open up the notes. Let's see.
Yeah, it's 0, right?
Why would you minus anything from 0, though? Like, wouldn't it just be the same?
I don't know. That's why I'm confused. I'm doubting myself.
Okay, so
Minus
what's
0. So it is 2.2 minus 0 over 3.3 divided by this, the square root of 9, right?
So the difference equals post minus pre. Let's see what else.
So in the, yeah.
But we're trying to find a test statistic.
Yeah, so look up the test statistic formula in the reading. Or find it or whatever.
So it's T equals.
It's the D with the line of 0 over SD divided by the square root of it.
I wish it gave me like the actual formula and didn't give me an example this time. Usually I
So
want
it
an
has it. It has it in the in the video, the first video. It has the actual formula.
example. Oh yeah.
How old is your baby now, Victoria?
6 months. He should be sleeping, but he's not.
My
He's not a very
baby's
good
6.
sleeper. Oh no, that's the worst.
I know, they can't breathe, and so they get up every hour.
Oh, I bet you're so tired.
Did you find it, Zach?
Nope. Arr.
Well, when I plugged it all into the formula, I got 2.
You got what?
2?
I got 0.2.
Hmm. 2.2 minus 0 divided by 3.3. 9? 2.2, 3.3. Oh, okay. Yeah, 0.2. I put parentheses around 3.3, and that made a difference. Megan, did you find the formula?
No.
Yeah. It's D minus 0 divided by SD divided by the square root of n.
Alright.
So we've gotten what, 0.2 is what you guys said? Is that what we're going with, or we're not sure?
0.2.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
0.2. Okay. The probability of being greater than 2.0 is 0.0403. Use an alternate hypothesis to determine the p-value for this test.
Scare you? They can see you. Baby boy. Okay.
Are you guys just as lost as I am?
Yeah, I'm not quite sure how to do this one.
Zach, where are you at?
I just looked up online how to find the p-value. So you take the t-score, and then okay. Give me a second.
Is
Are you kidding me?
what was that?
I was trying to find our book is quite useless when it comes to these things. That T-score is what?
What?
Hold on. 2.
You have teenagers and all the.
I don't know how to find the T-score without SPSS.
We have the T-score.
Yeah, the T-score is 0.2.
Oh, oh jeez. Okay. So we have to get the...
P-value.
What is the degrees of freedom?
That would be 8.
Oh, because 9 sample. Okay, and -1. And then is this a one-tailed or two-tailed test? Do you even know? I'm so confused. I'm even more lost moving on because number 3 asks for the value of the test statistic, and number 7 asks for what is the test statistic. So now I'm totally lost.
I mean, it's Hmm. So I understand what they want us to do, as in what's the point of it, but I don't understand what the information they're giving us, what to do with the information they're giving us. Because the homework was kind of like more of, here's two samples, what's the meaning of the each sample, and how's it different?
Yeah.
This is not like that.
No.
But I found
No.
that in the 4 was 0.847. If I did it right.
Do we have to know for number 4? Do we have to know if it's one-tailed or two? We have to know if it's one-tailed or two-tailed though, in order to figure out the p-value.
I think the one I found was two-tailed.
Okay.
The one-tailed, I don't know.
You do? Do bands and bands and bands?
Are you kidding me? We have to open up another freaking data set. It didn't tell us. Ugh.
You're just a sleepy man.
It's been a half hour. We got past some 2 problems.
I'm gonna cry because I don't even understand what we're doing.
Yeah, I do. I mean, we can come back to these.
Yeah. When are you gonna see your tutor again, Megan?
Saturday.
Oh, Saturday. Oh boy.
Saturday. I know, he's been a big help, and he took a trip this last week, which is why I did so horrible on the homework. And then he goes to Disney World this Sunday.
Okay.
So the next
Jealous.
week might not be so great either.
Yeah.
But I see him on Saturday, and then we go over everything for this week. Because he wants me to try to get it on my own, which makes sense, but he knows I really struggle with it.
Yeah.
All right. What are we on? 5. Use the data file to answer questions 5 through 10. Make a column of differences. Okay. I know how to do this. So,
Chapter 12, Data B. How do they?
where's the data thing?
I don't know.
It's statistics.byuimath.com.
Hold on.
Where's it though? Like, where do you grab it though? Where do I download it?
What?
'Cause I'm on that, but I don't see the data. Did it download the file for SPSS?
Are you on the bottom where all the SPSS files are?
Oh, you have to go. Okay, it's on that. Okay.
Hmm.
SPSS always makes my computer on the fritz.
Okay. That's a good guy. That's a good.
So statistics. Statistics.
Oh my God. Hey, good time. Yeah, good time. I think that's about 85%. Definitely.
What's the test value?
Hey.
Alright, hold on. I just got all this going. Okay, I'm gonna play the video real fast to learn how to do this quick. Because I forgot.
Oh, what's going on?
The controls have been doing that.
What was information on?
There you go. Sometimes this the stuck in the wall. It's only one thing that's not new. It's doing it now. That scares me. So I have
Is
that.
the test value just the mean when you
Yeah.
do the one sample t-test?
No.
I don't think.
Usually it's it'd be the sig two tail.
Yeah.
So then it figure out
And
the
the
what the t value is.
no, the test value that you input in order to find the right? The test value?
Oh, I see what you mean now.
Okay, mine's not opening in SPSS. It keeps opening in Excel.
Are you opening the SPSS file or are you opening the Excel file?
It only gives me one file to open.
Mine is
So on the top it has the Excel files, but if you scroll down, it has the bottom with the SPSS files in it.
Oh, thank you. There we go.
So what's the test value?
I think it's just the mean. It was the mean in the last week, wasn't it?
I guess. What should it have to mean?
Well, I don't know, because there's two different groups, right?
There are.
We should have had the what's her name come to this class today.
I know, that would have been wonderful. I feel so lost.
Is she supposed to come Wednesday or something?
I haven't heard anything. Do we even need that
Hey.
stuff?
Okay.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just 0, I think. What does the D bar equal?
What? Sorry.
What does D bar equal?
The D
Oh, the D with the bar over it.
is the
Yeah.
the difference.
And don't we need the upper bounds and the lower bounds in order to find the difference?
Oh.
Okay, I got my difference column made.
What?
We're supposed to make our difference column, aren't we?
No, I'm lost. I don't even think I know what that means.
Oh my gosh, I think we're all on, like, we're all in different books right now.
I think so.
My D bar, it's number 5, I got 31.02.
Can you guys walk me through this? I feel so lost.
So on your SPS, which you have open, right?
Yes.
Okay, you're supposed to go to transform,
Okay.
and then go to compute variable. Are you there?
Where's compute? Oh, there it is.
You good?
Yes.
Okay, where it says target variable, write the word difference.
Okay.
And then click on group 2, and then click the arrow over, and then click minus, and then click group 1, and then the arrow over. So you should have, in your numeric expression, it should be group 2 minus group 1. And then press OK. And then it has two, when you open SPSS, it always has two windows open. One is the computing, and then the other one is your data. So go to your data page, and it should have a third column there now, which is your difference.
It says that it contains an illegal character. What did I do?
I don't know. It should be transform to compute variable, and then your target variable you should have labeled difference, and then you click group 2, arrow over, minus group 1.
Outside!
Okay,
And
I
then you
got
just
it.
press OK. So you have your difference column now?
I do. Thank you.
Okay. So use the data and make a column of differences. We did that. Okay. Use a null hypothesis, an alternative hypothesis, and level significance. What is D? Okay, so now, hold on.
Oh, so D bar would be the mean.
Yeah, it's the mean of the difference column.
So the mean is negative 31.025.
Okay, hold on. What is it?
negative 31.025.
And that's the difference.
025?
Correct.
And that's the difference of the column of differences?
Yes.
Okay.
That's the mean of the difference column.
Okay, perfect.
And then the standard deviation for that is 341.157.
Wait, number 6 isn't asking for the... Is that standard deviation of the differences? Yeah? Okay, sorry, what was it, Zach?
341.157.
Okay.
What
And then
is-
the test statistic.
Upside.
I'll get that. We'll get it in a second. I'll get it in a second. Oh, no. I don't know. Come back. So T equals negative 0.407.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
Negative 0.407 is the T. T value
Where's the p-value?
Oh my god, I cannot play your class.
P value I got was 0.689.
0.689.
Yeah.
Okay, so the p-value.
I'm guessing that's for two-tailed. So hopefully that's right. It's for two-tailed.
It is
Assuming
two-tailed.
Okay.
Because you're doing the mu d equals 0 and the mu d does not equal 0. So it's two-tailed because you're doing both tests.
Okay.
If you're only doing one test, it'd be one-tailed.
Okay. What is the
So-
correct decision based on this evidence?
We fail to reject because the p-value is greater than the significance alpha. And if it's greater, we fail to reject.
Yeah. Suppose your alternate hypothesis is that it's greater than 0. What is the correct decision based on the evidence?
Hold on. So
Can we just go over?
Huh?
what?
Sorry.
Victoria?
Never mind.
My assumption would be fail to reject, but I'm curious why it's asking us that. Suppose your alternative hypothesis.
It'd still be failed to reject because it's a negative number. It's negative 31.
Right. That's what I would say. It's still failed to reject.
Okay.
Okay, use the data file. Oh, again. Ah.
I put it in my bookmarks. I kept it in my bookmarks, so I'd always have it.
Wow! Insert my players, you don't flip and reason.
Penguins lost a shootout.
Injure my player. Has he scored?
Penguins lost.
Yeah. they still get points up, right?
Yeah.
Before they're gonna do stuff, big stuff.
Okay. So, use the data file, make column of the SPSS. The data comes from whatever. The null hypothesis is equal to 0. Which is greater, n or degrees of freedom? Well, n is always bigger because it's always -1 for degrees of freedom from n.
Yeah.
What did you say, sir?
To get the degrees of freedom, you take the population sample -1.
And the population is n. And
Yeah.
so it's n
Okay.
minus 1 is the degrees of freedom. So n is always greater.
Yeah. The alternative
Okay.
hypothesis is not equal to 0, and you use the 0.01 with a p-value. Here we go again. Okay.
So this is a one-tailed, Zach.
One tail.
This is one-tailed because... Oh, wait, hold on.
It should be two-tailed because you have two sets of data, I thought.
That comes from... Anal hypothesis is that. The alternative hypothesis is... Yes, it's two-tailed. It's two-tailed.
Okay.
I think.
Offsides. Offsides.
Man, I need a tutor.
I got for a two-tailed test, it's 0.001.
There's like no offside they call this.
0.001.
Yeah, for two-tailed.
Okay. So
Just-
we are going to reject.
Yeah. You decide to try another alternative hypothesis. This time you use that the mean is greater than 0, and you keep the same level of significance. Did the p-value increase or decrease?
Oh, no, my phone. Anything on the other
It
team?
has to increase, right?
Yeah, because you're making it greater than. It's making it
Yeah.
one-tailed, so yeah, it would increase.
What decision did we make? We failed to reject it because it then increased.
As we assume the p-value depends on the alternative hypothesis. So inside the data from this problem, do you think that a general can be made? Which alternate hypothesis will give the smallest p-value?
Isn't it going to be 3? The new difference is less than?
Yeah, I think so.
That would be my first guess.
Okay. We either kind of know what we're doing or we're going to totally bomb this thing. Zach, to get all the data, you go to Analyze
All offsides?
and then
Yeah.
Descriptive Statistics.
Stop.
Kevin. What you saying?
What you go to Analyze and then Descriptive Statistics, right?
Yep.
And then to Descriptive.
Explore.
Explore.
Oh, okay, that's why.
So
That's
for the
why.
lower bound, I got -12 point. Oh, sorry, no, -18. My bad, -18. Point 607.
7. That's lower, right?
Yeah.
18.607.
And then negative 5.303.
Wait.
What?
Okay, I got all that to come up. Negative 5.
Wait. Where are you?
Well, what's the question?
Sorry.
I submitted.
You get these numbers by taking the difference column and analyze and explore this.
Okay. 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 Wait, what was 18? Negative 5.
303. Okay?
Yep.
I'm submitting.
That was
Oh, wait, we
horrible.
didn't do number 4.
Number 4, we put 0.847.
Why didn't I have that answered? That's weird.
I don't know.
Well, we didn't do very often.
No, we did average.
Boo! Boo! We barely passed.
Well, let's see if we can get the tutor to join us on Wednesday, or the teacher's aide.
Yes.
Zach, do you have her information? Who did she email?
She emailed Zach, but I have her info too. Or her email at least.
She's supposed to be coming Wednesday. She's supposed to be.
Is she?
She said she was coming this week, so.
Okay, because we desperately, now we're all lost. Usually one of us is on track. Now we're all lost at the moment.
Yeah. I think I'm going to sign up for a tutor this week.
Okay, so who wants to contact her to make sure she's coming? Victoria
I can.
or Zach?
I got it.
Okay, I'm going to stop broadcasting. Victoria, can you post this very sad video for us?
Sure.
Okay.
Okay.